Hey crafty people, welcome to a design team project for scrapbooking with me. And this is using the gorgeous Prima Lavender collection. So before I get started, I want to specifically thank the ladies at Scrapbooking with me. They have been so super ultra nice to me since my injury, just encouraging me just to focus on that, not to worry about my design team projects. But they don't know me so well. I don't stay laid up very good. So honey helps me in here to my desk, and I prop my foot up and I scrap. Now, I'm not as quick as I normally am because getting up and getting other supplies in the room is a little more difficult, but I specifically wanted to thank them for their encouraging words and kindness and patience. So, on with the project. So I had picked up this little box from the Ark, kind of like a Goodwill type of store, and it was something that somebody had bought, and it came with stationery, like from the Hallmark store or something like that. So I painted the box white, and I covered it with the gorgeous Prima Lavender papers. I broke this up because I was out of this paper, so I only had this one strip. So I cut it, separated it, and then I put these little flat backs there. There's a little heart, and the front has an opening here. So what you're seeing on the inside is actually the book inside. So I layered my Prima flowers. I cut these leaves. I actually cut off of these little spray things that I get. So I don't have to specially buy expensive leaves. I just use them off of the little sprays. So I love flower clustering so much. So I did a larger one here and a little bit smaller here. I layered this white trim and then the purple trim on top of it. This collection has so many varieties of purples that you can just mix it all up and it works. So I added this lace closure, and this is lace I got. I had ordered a D-stash of Tilda papers, and she had wrapped it in this lace, and I was like, thank you, it's perfect. So it opens like this, so you can see, hello, and then the book comes out like that, and that is the inside of the box. I just love this lavender paper. Purples and lavenders, when I was a child, was my absolute favorite colors. I've kind of gravitated towards pink now, but definitely love these colors. All right, so this is a journal. I have a soft binding. It's fabric and lace binding, so the book can kind of shift around a little bit to fit nicely in that box. So I used the same lace for the binding, and this is the gorgeous paper on the back, same as on the front. And I had this little Prima resin frame, and it had been cracked. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a teeny little crack all the way across right here, but I tried to fix that. But if you are interested in purchasing this set, just know there's a tiny little crack there, but it's barely noticeable. These are blings. You guys know where I get my bling. I'm not supposed to mention it. So these butterflies I fussy cut from the collection. There's 2 butterflies, and I cut them out, kind of curved them a little bit, and put them in the center of the frame. This is one of the 3x4s, I think it is, from the collection that says blessed. So we open it up like this, and you can see my fabric in the background. It's actually a wide, I don't know, it's kind of like a burlap, but it's white. So I left this simple. I needed to keep this as simple as I could so it fit in the box. So I made a pocket here with these 2 of the the tags from the collection. I have some flat back pearls here, and I did a lot of stamping and stenciling. And these are just stamps and stencils from my stash. So you can see the stenciling, and of course, then here, all you need is love. Then we have a side pocket and nice room for journaling and maybe photos on the outside. And then things to do today and a beautiful stamp. And you could put photos here, or you could add pockets, whatever you like. More stenciling, and then an ooh la la stamp. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Stenciling and stamping. Love this. So this stencil, and then all you need is love. Another pocket with more tags. My love for you is a journey starting at forever and ending never. You are worth it. You are amazing. Remember that. So this is the center of my first signature. There's 2 signatures. Life's most beautiful things are not seen with the eyes, but felt with the heart. And another beautiful paper booklet. I just love this one with the flowers on it. And I got a beautiful feather there, more stenciling. This is like a belly band, so you could slide something in there. I love you to the moon and back. Side pocket. Life's most beautiful things are not seen with the eyes, but felt with the heart. 2 little tags and another booklet. So you can see there's definitely room to do a lot, and there's a lot of room for journaling. Life is not about the number of breaths you take. It's about the moments that take your breath away. Reach for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. Another pocket. 2 tags. Once in a lifetime, you meet someone who changes everything. Center of our second signature. Things to do today. And anyone who's interested in this, if you need some extra ones of these, I'm glad to include them because I have a whole bunch of those. Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives you a fairy tale. Another pocket. All you need is love. Side pocket. And that's the back. So, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget, head over to Scrapbooking with me. The links will be in the description box down below. I also always include my coupon code. Guys, if you want to save money, use my coupon code. I use my coupon code. So, there you go. If you're interested, you can message me. I usually wait a day or 2 before I list things on my Etsy, but I will put my eBay and my Etsy links in the description box down below as well. I hope you like my new background. I love it. I was tempted to order several, but they're $20, so I thought, well, I'll start with this one. Let me know what you think. All right, thanks for watching. And again, thank you, Scrapbooking with me, from the bottom of my heart, for being so kind and understanding and patient with me. All right. Happy scrappy day. Bye, guys.